If I ran a plumbing business, I would build a system that answers every message, sends quotes, books jobs, and gets paid without touching a single thing. Most service businesses don't fail because of bad work. They fail because of missed calls, forgotten follow-ups, and paperwork that stacks up. And automation solves all of this. So let's go through the 5 automations that I would build in 24 hours to run a plumbing business from end to end. So first off, we're going to have the receptionist. Then we're going to have the estimator, then the scheduler, the admin, and the marketing. And these 5 synced through a nice and simple automation. The first automation replaces your website form. So first, I take the website, but instead I'd connect the website form from, let's say, a Google Forms or Messenger or whatever into a simple AI agent. I've built countless of these agents previously in my YouTube channel, so you can just check one of my many videos and you'll see exactly how to do it. And basically what it does is, think of it as a human receptionist but in computer form. It's going to ask what service they need, answer all of their questions, and then funnel it straight to your internal databases. So basically the agent can capture their phone, email, location, and basically everything, and then it will just get funneled to your CRM. So for instance, if we have a hot lead and we have a warm lead and then we have a cold lead, the hot leads will ping your phone, the warm leads will be sent to your CRM. So basically you will have them all in one place, but it's not going to be so crucial that you need to follow up with them right away. And the cold leads can be placed in an email or marketing campaign. So when they're actually ready to invest in your plumbing service, they will already be there, having you as the first company in their mind. And the second automation replaces your estimator. So when the chatbot collects basic info, is it a leaking pipe or a bathroom renovation, it will send all this information to Make or to Airtable, and then the AI or a custom coded solution can basically go through this information along with materials, salaries, time, etc., and basically come up with a price. So no more heavy lifting for you to basically trying to understand and grasp what should I actually charge the client, because we can code this manually. We can even base it from previous. We can use previous examples or literally everything in this way. It will keep your profit margins. You don't need to spend times on estimation, because I've worked with businesses in the construction niche and I know that all of these business owners spend their most valuable time of every day just crammed doing estimation work. And next comes scheduling, which is basically your digital coordinator. So once a quote is accepted, the customer gets a booking link sent to them in their email inbox, where they can basically pick their time where it's best suited for you to come for a house visit or pretty much just start a project. So the customer picks a time, you get an instant notification with SMS and even a reminder the day before that, hey, listen up, tomorrow you have a work at this place to do X. And so everything basically syncs. So quote. So quote, booking link. Pick a time. So quote, booking link, pick a time. And then you get a notification. Super simple, super easy. So basically, once a job is done, you need to invoice your customer. And this we can automate super simple as the previous examples. So first things first, your technician is going to fill out a Google form. And in this form, he's basically going to say what to do, how much time did I put in, how much of all the materials did I use, was it complicated or no, and they can fill in their labor, their hourly rate, and etc. And this will trigger an invoicing flow. You can use like QuickBooks, or you can use Stripe. So invoice. I recommend using Stripe because it's very easy, super simple setup and everything like this. And then you're basically going to email the payment link to the user. And all of this basically means that you get cash faster and without thinking about it for a second. And the final automation that's super simple to set up basically is going to replace your marketing assistant. So what happens is when you're done with the job and the invoice is sent, it's going to wait a day and it's going to ask for one of the most crucial things that a plumber or any service business will have, and that's asking for a review. So 24 hours review. If the review is positive, so if it's positive, it will go to your Google. So if the review is positive, it's going to go to your Google reviews. But if it's negative, you're going to be contacted directly to pretty much just ask what's up, like what did happen, what didn't you like, and then a super easy thing is you just go there, fix it, because they literally paid you their hard-earned money, so of course they want to have a nice job and you're going to need to do a good job. So you fix it, you go back, and then you're going to get a good review. And we're going to set up another system that's super easy and will keep your calendar full at all times. So 3 months after your project is done, we're going to follow up again, but we're going to basically send a new message being like, hey, how's it going? But winter is turning up, so how would you like us to check up your new pipes, making sure you're all set for winter? And this is going to take your old customers who are already happy with you, going to them basically saying, hey, would you like to buy more from us? They're already going to be happy and they know you. So instead of going to another person who's like a random dude, like just like you were 3 months ago, they're going to go to like a friend of theirs who they've worked with for a while. And they know your work is good and they're most probably going to say yes, because you're the professional and you're going to know what they want and what they need and how to fix it. So yeah, so 3 months, ask for improvements. More work plus cash. And as you all probably know, cash is king. So that's the system that I would build for a plumbing business if I was to run it for 24 hours. No fluff, just 5 automations that replaces 5 employees, all talking to each other. If you run a service business and want to build this with me, the link's down below.